Pulau Sulawesi, located in Indonesia, is home to a fascinating and diverse array of flora and fauna. One of its most notable inhabitants is the Maleo bird. The Maleo bird is a species endemic to Sulawesi, Indonesia. It has a unique appearance with dark brown feathers and a large body size. One distinctive characteristic is the presence of ground nests created by the female birds to lay their eggs. Maleo birds are renowned for their unique reproductive behavior. The female bird digs a hole in the ground, which serves as a nest. After laying their eggs, the female buries them in warm volcanic sand that acts as an excellent insulator. The heat from the ground helps to incubate the eggs, and upon hatching, the young birds must struggle to emerge from the sand and reach the surface. Maleo birds are also known for their endangered status. Their natural habitat, such as forests and sandy areas, is increasingly threatened by deforestation, illegal hunting, and other human disturbances.